In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Mymind app. If you've ever found yourself drowning in a sea of information, this app might just be the lifeline you need. Mymind is a powerful tool designed to help you store, organize, and recall all the bits of information you encounter daily. Whether it's articles, images, or ideas, Mymind allows you to save them all in one place for easy access later. So let's dive in and see how simple it is to get started. First, you'll want to head over to the official Mymind website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in access.mymind.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to sign in, which you can do easily using your Google account. Just click on the option to sign in with Google and you'll be guided through the login process. Once everything is set up and you're logged in, you're ready to integrate it into your daily routine. Next, it's crucial to enhance the functionality of Mymind by adding it as a Chrome extension. To do this, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Mymind. You'll find the extension there, and all you have to do is click Add to Chrome. This extension will be your gateway to a more organized digital life, allowing you to save important information directly from your web browsing. Once the extension is installed, if you navigate back to the Mymind app, you will be greeted by your personal dashboard. This user-friendly interface is where the real magic happens. Central to the dashboard is the search bar. Think of it as your digital brain. Here you can search through all your saved tags, websites, or photos. It's designed to recall information the moment you need it, instantly bringing up relevant results from your saved content. One valuable feature in Mymind is the concept of spaces. By clicking on spaces in your dashboard, you can create dedicated areas where you can group similar contents together. This makes it incredibly efficient to find what you need without sifting through everything at once. It's essentially how you can tidy your digital mind, putting all saved articles, thoughts, or inspiration under specific categories or themes. And that's a wrap on the basic setup and functionality of Mymind app. It's a straightforward yet immensely powerful tool in the battle against information overload. By using Mymind, you'll find you can keep track of your thoughts and inspirations more effectively than ever before. So go ahead, give Mymind a try, and experience for yourself how it can improve the way you manage your information. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.